How to make a certificate. So a certificate is awarded when a bigger event happens than just a badge. And in my case, I want to give a certificate to my students who have completed all three assignments with 80% or above. And I have two students in that situation. So the way to make a certificate, it goes to assessments awards where I am right now, and then go to course awards and add an award to the course and create. I'm going to call it the assignments certificate. In the description, I'm going to say successfully completed all three assignments. And for the criteria is earned 80% or higher on all three assignments. And instead of a badge, it's a certificate. I'm going to make this only for my course. I'm not going to share it with other people, but you can if you want, other instructors, and it's not going to be date, time uploaded. Now, they want both an award icon, but also a PDF template. And the reason it's called template is because the PDF will have their name on it, and whatever fields that I, as the instructor, want to put in it. I'm going to put my name, I'm going to put the award name, I'm going to put an award ID number on it. So I'm going to make that template. It's a PDF document. So I'm going to go back to Gemini, who's making this, and I'm going to say make a certificate icon of the same style, but with a different color border and covering and that I give to students who complete all three assignments. Just going to wait while it builds it. Okay, here's the icon it made. So I'm going to right click that and save image as. I'm going to call it assignments certificate. And then I'm going to say create a PDF template certificate where I will display the student's name, the award name, instructor's name, date earned, and award ID number. Now, it can't produce something that has those fields in it. For those fields to be fill-inable by D2L, I have to create it in Adobe Acrobat. And Adobe Acrobat isn't free. You can ask, there's a form you can fill out to ask ITS to be able to fill it out. But let's see. And so I'm going to download this. And that will be the template. So and if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, or if you can't get it, ADC can help. So I'm going to open up my Adobe Acrobat. I'm going to open up this document. And I'm going to go prepare a form and create form. And I'm going to get rid of this student name. And I'm going to add a text field. And then I'm going to go out of that. Just prepare a form. And I'm going to also get rid of the award name. And then while I'm here, I'm going to get rid of the date earned. The reason is that these can't act as actual forms, fill-inable forms. Have to build it this way. So now I'm going to create another text field for the award name and for the date issued and for the instructor. And then I'm going to change the fields. Instead of just saying text 11, I'm going to call it full name. That's the term that D2L uses. Capital Full and then capital NAME all together, no spaces. And then with award name for 12, double click and award name. And I forgot to put it a course name. I need to add one for course name. I think I'm gonna put it down here. And then I'm going to have the dates, or date short is what they call it. And then the instructor, they call it the issuer name. There. And then I'm going to save this, still in the same place. And then it's going to close out of here. And then that, first I'm going to upload the icon, the JPEG file, assignment certificate. And then I'm going to upload this template. And then the issuer name, the instructor's name, that will fill up in the template. The URL, I'm just going to put the URL of D2L. You could put your course URL, but it'll change every semester, so you may not want to. And then the issuer contact, this is the email address of the instructor. And save and close. Then I'm going to edit the properties, and I'm going to say this is 3 credits. And I'm going to create a condition where on the grade, they're going to complete, or sorry, grade value. So the first thing they're going to do is they get in assignment A1, they're going to get greater or equal to 80%. But then in addition to that, I'm going to create another one where they assignment 2 greater or equal to 80%. And notice it says that all conditions must be met. That's the default. I could say any, there's either 1 or 2, but that's not what I want. I want all of them. And then in fact, I can add a third one in the grades in assignment 3, greater or equal to 80%. And save. Now I'm going to see that it sometimes takes a minute for this to load. Yep, I reloaded it, and there they are. And so what this would look like for a student is first off, they got this, so I can view the award, close the dialog box. I'm just going to go view the award. There it is. And when I click on the award, I can generate a certificate. And there it is. And it has the name, the assignment, the date, the the instructor and the course. I should have made that one longer, but that's how the certificate works.